So, how to create 3D or proximity audio for your avatar. Whether you want this on an object or on your avatar itself, all you'll need to do is go over here into the hierarchy, right click, go down here to audio and audio source. Then under spatial blend, you'll drag this over to 3D. Then usually you can change under volume roll off to linear roll off. Now making sure Gizmos is on so you can see how far the audio goes out, you'll see a little orb around. Now this is the distance of which the audio can be heard from. Looking at your avatar, usually each one of these little squares or tiles is about roughly an avatar. So first thing you want to do is change the position to 0, 0, 0 to make sure that it is lined up with your avatar. And then we're going to attach it to the avatar itself. So whether you want it attached to the avatar itself or a separate object, all you're going to have to do, for example, all you're going to need to do is drag in that audio source to the object you want it to be heard from. Again, if it teleports off somewhere, just change it to 0. I turn my object on. Now I can see it. So then using your audio source you imported into Unity, you'll drag that up here into the audio clip and make sure that play on awake is checked, and whether you want the audio to loop, you can have this selected as well. As you can see, there's two bubbles, one larger and one smaller. These are the minimum distance and max distances. You can usually change minimum to 0.1 or 1, whatever works. And max distance is up to you. Usually I do about 30 for loud sounds. This is a pretty long distance. So even just 20, or we'll do 10. So it could be heard from a little ways away. But if you wanted it to be heard from right up next to the object, you can change that to probably just 1 or whatever. Again, just mess with that until you see what you like. Then once you're done with that, you're going to down here to add component, click, type in audio. So I'll do that again. And as you can see, you'll see VRC spatial audio source. You'll click that. Then usually I'll just disable spatialization. And there you go. So that's how you create 3D or proximity audio for your object.